Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials so the keyboard can work right away. First, look for an FN lock or physical switch and disable it if engaged. Once done, power the laptop and sign into your account. This rules out profile issues. Next, open Device Manager or Settings right arrow keyboard to check drivers. If a driver appears missing or flagged, note it now. These steps get you into immediate corrective mode and tell you whether you proceed with software fixes or hardware checks. Now you address the common software causes, drivers and settings. Open Device Manager, right-click the keyboard, and choose Update Driver or Uninstall and Restart to force reinstall. Restarting refreshes the hardware handshake. Then adjust layout and typing parameters in settings so key mapping and responsiveness match your expectations. Once done, run HP Support Assistant to check BIOS and firmware, apply one update at a time and reboot between them. This step fixes misconfigurations and latent bugs that commonly block input. Finish by verifying behavior and isolating hardware faults. You should test every key using a simple text editor or a key tester site. This quickly reveals patterns or dead zones. If some keys fail, plug in a USB keyboard to confirm whether the laptop keyboard or the system layer is at fault. Once done, if software attempts failed, reset CMOS/BIOS defaults or run an HP hardware diagnostic. If problems persist, contact HP service. Keeping your serial number and recent steps noted speeds the repair process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.